After you've been able to create your account, you go ahead to log in and then head over to the onboarding step. So you click on the Get Started button in order to complete the basic onboarding details. This is where you fill in your level of education, either a bachelor's degree, a postgraduate certificate, or a master's degree. After you have filled that, go ahead to type in your course of study and also type in the university you attended. After you have typed in the university you attended, all you have to do is to click on the next button to head over to the next step. Now this is where you fill in the level of study you're interested in. You also fill in the program you're looking for to study and the province you want to study in. When you're done, click on the next button. Head over to the next step to fill in your first language, and if you have taken any English test before, do well to select yes. If no, select no and proceed. Now, this is where you fill in your career aspirations after completing your studies. You can keep it as simple as possible. It doesn't really need to be complex at all. After you're done, all you have to do is to click on the next step. Now, if you have a budget for study, select yes. If no, select no. Also type in the budget if you selected yes previously. If you're interested in a financial aid or scholarship, select yes and head over to the next step. Select yes or no if you have any work experience related to your field of study. Click on the next button after you're done with that. If you need any assistance with accommodation or finding a place to study, click on the yes button. If no, select no. If you have any specific requirement, do well to type it in. If you don't have, just leave it blank. Click on the next button. So this is where you will tell us about how you heard about ImmiBuddy, either through Google, Facebook, Instagram, referral, or LinkedIn. Select the option that best applies to you and click on the finish button. Voila, you are done. All you have to do is to continue to the next step.